before I look at volume of a sphere, there are some definitions that I want to go through. Um, First of all, a sphere has a center, so it has a center, and it also has a radius. Now, the volume of the sphere will be given in your exams or tests, so you don't have to cram it, you just need to know how to use it. And the formula for volume of a sphere is 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. So remember, you will be given this formula in your exams or on your exams. Okay, so you just need to know how to use it. You don't have to cram it, okay? You just need to know how to apply it. And I'm going to show you how to apply it in the next examples. So example 1, find the volume of the following shapes. So I'll start with A. So the volume will be equal to 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by r cubed. Remember here r is 8 divided by 3. That will give us 2144.7 centimeter cubed. In the next example, B, you have to identify the radius. So the radius is 4 divided by 2, which is 2, which means that the volume will be 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by 2 cubed divided by 3. That will be 33.5 centimeter cubed. Here the radius will be equal to 10 divided by 2, which is 5. But remember, this is half a sphere, right? So what you're going to do is we'll find the volume of a full sphere and then divide it by 2. So volume will be 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by 5 cubed divided by 3. But now what you're going to do is take that volume and divide it by 2, because this is half a sphere, and you'll end up with 261.8 centimeter cubed if you just plug it in your calculator. Next, in example 2, we need to find the volume of these compound shapes. Now, if you notice here, what I have is this one is half a sphere. So what I need to do here is I need to find the volume of a full sphere. Suppose I have a full sphere, and then divide. And by the way, the radius is 20 divided by 2, which is 10. So the volume of the half a sphere will be 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by 10 cubed divided by 3. But then, because it's half, I have to divide that by 2. And then here, what I have is a cylinder. So this is a cylinder. No, for a cylinder, the volume is pi multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by the height. Remember, it's a prism. So basically what I have is I have these two volumes that I need to add together. So which means that the volume of this shape will be pi multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 15 plus 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by 10 cubed divided by 3 all this divided by 2. And if you work this out, you'll end up with 47 12.4 plus 20 94.4, and that should give you 6806 centimeter cube. All right. For B, we'll work it out the same way. So here, what I have is I have cone. Now the volume for a cone is pi multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, because the height is 4. Remember, from here to here will be 3, so which means from there to there will be 4, to make it 7. So that divided by 3 will give me the volume of the cone. Now the volume of this bit will be 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by 3 cubed divided by 3, but then all this divided by 2. Okay. If you work out the first bit at the top, this will be equal to 37.7 centimeter cubed, and this one will be equal to 56.5 centimeter cubed, which means that the volume will be equal to 56.5 centimeter cubed plus 37.7, and that gives us 94.2 centimeter cube. I'm running out of space, so I'm just gonna try and fit it in here again. So that will be 56.5 plus 37.7, which gives me 94.2 centimeter cube.